How to compare an ordered fraction where the denominators are all multiples of the same number. Let's order these fractions from smallest to largest. We have 1/3, 3/6 and 2/9. To do this, we need to ensure that the denominator is the same, so therefore we need to find the lowest common multiple of these numbers. I'm going to start by counting in multiples of 3, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. Now multiples of 6, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36. And finally multiples of 9. Now we want to find a number that appears in all three columns. So 9, let's check, doesn't appear in all three columns. 18 is in the 6s and is also in the 3s, so we circle this to show that this is the lowest common multiple of these three numbers. Now I'm going to convert 1/3 into 18ths, so I need to get the 3 Numicon tile and repeat this until I get 18. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, lots of 3. Since the numerator is 1, I need to put 1 counter on each of my Numicon tiles. Now I'm going to move the Numicon tiles to make 18. Now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 18ths. Now let's convert 3 6 into 18ths. So 6, 12, 18. The numerator is 3, so I need to put 3 counters on each of my Numicon tiles. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I'm going to move the Numicon tiles so that I make 18. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 18ths. Now let's convert 2 9ths into 18ths. So 9, 18. Since the numerator is 2, I need to put 2 counters on each of my Numicon tiles. Again, I'm going to move the Numicon tiles to make 18, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4 18ths. For the abstract method, I'm going to use my times table knowledge to help me convert these fractions into 18ths. Therefore, I'm going to write 1/3 equals to, and we know that the denominator needs to be 18. Therefore, to get from 3 to 18, I multiply by 6. And whatever I multiply the denominators by, I need to multiply the numerators by. So 1 multiplied by 6 equals 6. So 1/3 equals 6 18ths. 3 6 is equal to, now again I know the denominator needs to be 18, and to get from 6 to 18 I multiply by 3. So therefore I need to do this to the numerator as well. So 3 multiplied by 3 equals 9. So 3 6 is equivalent to 9 18ths. 2 9ths equals, the denominator is 18. To get from 9 to 18 I multiply by 2. Therefore I multiply the numerators by 2, and 2 times 2 equals 4. So 2 9ths equals 4 18ths. Let's compare the size of these fractions. So I'm going to bring all the counters down to the bottom so that I can easily see the size of these fractions. After looking at the size of these fractions, I can see that 4 18ths is the smallest fraction, so therefore 2 9ths is the smallest out of these three fractions. Next I can see that 6 18ths is the next smallest, So that means that 1/3 is next. And finally, I can see that 9/18 is the biggest, so therefore 3/6 is the largest out of these three fractions.